Chapter number 1, Physical Quantities and Measurements. Exercise 1.3.1, System International SI Base Units. In System International SI, 7 physical quantities are chosen as base and their units are defined and standardized. These units are called base units. Each SI unit is defined carefully so that accurate and reproducible measurements can be made. The 7 basic physical quantities, their SI base units and the symbol of SI unit are given in the table 1.1. Table 1.1, base unit for International System of Units. SI base quality, SI base units. Name, symbol, length L, mass M, time T, electric currents L, temperature T, amount of substance N, light intensity L, meter, name symbol, meter M, kilogram kg, second S, ampere A, Kelvin K, mole mol, candela CCL या double CL. 1.3.2 System International SI Derived Units. Units of derived quantity are obtained by multiplying and or dividing base quantities. In the SI, units of all other physical quantities can be derived from the 7th base of units. For example, the unit for area is m multiply m is equal to m square. In this example, base unit of length is used. Similarly, the unit for velocity is m by s and acceleration is m by s square. Some derived units are given special names and symbols. For example, force has derived units of kg m by s square, which is given special name as Newton and represented as n. Some derived quantities which derive units in terms of base units are given in table 1.2. Explore https www.bipm.org/en/ explore table 1.2 derived units for International System of Units. Derived quality SI derived units. Name symbol, area A, volume V, speed velocity V, small v, acceleration A, density P, force F, pressure P, energy EU. Name symbol, square meter m square, cubic meter m cube, meter per second ms power ms -1 है, meter per second squared ms power -2, kilogram per cubic meter kg meter power -3, newton n kg meter s minus power -2, pascal pa kg meter power -1 s power -2, joule j kg meter square s power -2. 1.4 standard forms / scientific notation. In physics, we deal with numbers that are either very small or very large. For example, the width of the observable universe is approximately 8800000000000000000000 meters, 88 with 25 zeros. If we use this number often, it is not only consuming but there are chances of reporting is wrong. Scientific notation is an easy method of writing very large or small numbers in proper of 10. Do you know? Standard form of scientific notation represents a number as the product of a number greater than 1 and less than 10 called the mantissa and a power of 10 term as exponent. Number mantissa multiplied by 10 exponent. Therefore, the width of the observable universe can scientifically be written compactly as 8.8 multiplied by 10 26 meters, where 8.8 is the mantissa and 26 is the exponent. Similarly, the mass of Earth is 5,980,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 kilogram, which is written at 5.98 multiplied by 10 power 24 kg, and the diameter of hydrogen nucleus is about 0.0000000000000000017 meters, which is 1.5 multiplied by 10 power minus 5 minus 15 meters. 1.5 prefixes to power of 10. A mechanism through which numbers are expressed in power of 10 that are given a property name is called prefix. Prefixes make standard form or scientific notation further easier. Large numbers are simply written in more convenient prefix with units. The thickness of a proper can be written conveniently in smaller units of millimeter instead of meter. Similarly, the long distance between two cities may be expressed better in a bigger unit of distance. Example kilometer. Some prefix in SI to replace power of 10 are given in table 1.3. Table 1.3 prefixes. Prefix. Decimal multiplier symbol. Prefix. Decimal sum multiplier symbol. Exa 10 power 18. E. Peta 10 power 15. P. Tera 10 power 12. T. Giga 10 power 9. G. Mega 10 power 6. M. Kilo 10 power 3. K. Hecto 10 power 2. H. Deca 10 power 1. DA. ये decimal sum multiplier, decimal multiplier, decimal sub multiplier. Deci 10 power minus 3. D. Centi 10 power minus 2. C. नहीं, deci 10 power minus 1. D. Milli 10 power minus 3. M. Micro 10 power minus 3. U. Nano 10 power minus 9. N. Pico 10 power minus 12. P. Femto 10 power minus 15. F. Alto 10 power minus 18. A. Did you know volume as a derived quantity? 1L is equal to 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1 dm cube. 1 dm cube is equal to 10 centimeter cube is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. For example, the number of seconds in a day are 86,400 seconds is equal to 8.64 multiplied by 10 seconds. 10 power 4 seconds is equal to 86.4 multiplied by 10 power 3 seconds is equal to 86.4 ks. B. The distance to the nearest star Alpha Centauri is 4.132 multiplied by 10 power 16 meter is equal to 41.32 multiplied by 10 power 15 meter is equal to 41.23 pm. C. The thickness of the large page of this book is about 4.0 multiplied by 10 power minus 5 m is equal to 10 power minus 6 meter is equal to 40 um. D. The mass of the grain of salt is 1.0 is equal to 10 power minus 4 gram is equal to 100 multiplied by 10 power minus 6 gram is equal to 100 UG. Physical clue. Can you write the number in power of 10 and choose prefix to the following numbers? A. The mass of sun is about 1.9700 kilogram. B. The radius of a hydrogen atom is about 0.0000000005 meters. C. The age of Earth is about 143.300,000,000,000,000,000,000 seconds. S. Can you express the following in terms of power of 10? A. The thickness of sheet of paper is about 1 lakh nanometers. B. Pakistan has a total installed power generation capacity of over 40,000 megawatt. C. A single hard disk capacity of computers exceeds 30 terabyte. Example 1.1. Scientific notation. Convert the following numbers in standard form via scientific notation. A. 149,530,000,000 meters, which is the average distance between Earth and the Sun. B. 0.0008 gram, which is the average mass of human hair. C. The number of seconds in a day. Solution. A. For standard form scientific notation, we can write the term as distance is equal to 1495300000000.0 multiplied by 10 power 0 meter. For standard form scientific notation, in order to get Mantissa M, we have to move the decimal 11 digits towards left. Therefore, the power of 10 will be positive 11, that is distance is equal to 1.495 multiplied by 100 meters. Answer, which is the average distance between Earth and the Sun in standard form scientific notation. B. In standard form scientific notation, we can write the term as mass of hair is equal to 0.0008 multiplied by 10 power 0 gram. Mass of hair is equal to 8 multiplied by 10 minus 4 gram. Answer. C. We know that there are 24 hours in a day, 60 minutes in an hour, and 67 in a minute. These three relationships are conversion factors as 1D is equal to 86.400 seconds. For standard form, scientific notation, we can write the term as 1D is equal to 86400.0 multiplied by 10 power 0 seconds. 1D is equal to 8.64 multiplied by 10 power 4 seconds. Answer. Example 1/2. Prefixes. Write the number in standard scientific notation and also represent using an appropriate prefix. A. 1 ton of light in gram. B. The diameter of neutron is 0.00000000000000018 meter. Solution. A. 1 ton is equal to mass of 1000 kilograms. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. As we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Therefore, 1 ton is equal to 1000 multiplied by 1000 gram. 1 ton is equal to 1 million gram is equal to 1 million point 0 multiplied by 10 power 0 gram. In scientific form, for standard form scientific notation, in order to get mantissa m, have to move the decimal 6 digit towards left. Therefore, the power of 10 will be positive 6 given by 1 ton is equal to 1.0 multiplied by 10 power 6 gram. Answer. Using prefix as 10 power 6 is equal to mega, therefore 1 ton is equal to 1.0 mg. Answer. B. The diameter of a proton is 0.00000000000000017 meter, which can be written as diameter of proton is equal to 0.00000000000000017 multiplied by 10 power 0 meter. Diameter of proton is equal to 1.7 multiplied by 10 power minus 5 meter. Answer. Using prefix is equal to 10 power minus 5 is equal to femto. Therefore, diameter of proton is equal to 1.7 fm. Answer.